This feature is useful at times when the gate must be kept open for extended periods of time, when cutting the lawn on the pavement, for instance. With auto-close override party mode active, any trigger on any input will simply result in the control card beeping to indicate the gate is being kept open intentionally. To activate, please ensure the gate can be in any position except closed. Press and release momentarily. The transmitter button has been linked into the audio lockout feature. The buzzer will beep for 5 seconds. Press and release the full opening button. If no BT trigger has been made during the 5-second window period, then party mode override has not been activated. To deactivate, press and release the audio lockout feature button momentarily. Press and release the full opening button, and the gate will close immediately thereafter